Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have something very special to show you guys. This is Asus's new mesh Wi-Fi system that was unveiled back at CES 2018. It's basically a router but not an ordinary one. It's an AC1750 dual band tri-hub mesh Wi-Fi system. I'm not sure if you guys know what a mesh Wi-Fi system is. In case if you don't know what that is, no problem, just watch this video. I'll tell you what a mesh Wi-Fi system is and how it works. So this is Asus Lyra Trio Home Mesh Wi-Fi system. It's a 3-pack box. That means you get 3 Lyra hubs in this box. It says Lyra Trio over here and you've got a picture of the router on the box. Now let's see what else is written on it. The Lyra Trio is designed in such a way to completely eliminate Wi-Fi dead spots at your home, so you'll get a better coverage with faster speeds compared to the other regular routers. Also, it's very easy to set up this router with an app. You don't even need a PC to do that. Now let's see what do we have at the back. The Asus Lyra Trio has a unique 3x3 MIMO antenna design to handle more traffic in the network compared to the regular 2x2 antenna designs. And one more thing is, I've told you it's a 3-pack model, right? You even get a single hub model. Now that totally depends on the application as to which one you should get. If you have a small home up to 1800 square feet, then 1 Lyra hub is enough for you. If you want to increase the range, then you can go with 2 or 3 hubs accordingly. The Lyra Trio is a AC1750 dual band tri-hub router and has a max speed of up to 1300 Mbps in the 5 GHz band, which is almost 1.5 times faster than the other mesh Wi-Fi systems. Plus, it also comes with AI protection. AI protection is a cloud-based security powered by Trend Micro. This cloud security blocks malicious sites, infected devices in the network, offers parental controls, and unlike other brands, Asus gives you free lifetime of this cloud-based security, so you can always be protected on your network. Those were some of its features. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, on opening the box, we've got all the 3 routers at the top. Wow, this thing looks quite amazing. The design is very unique. I've never seen a router like this before. It's compact, stylish, has a pyramid-like structure with the Asus logo here. This thing feels super lightweight in hand, and the body of the router is made of high-quality plastic. We'll check out the router in a moment. Similar to this one, you get 2 more Lyras in the box. All have the same look and the functionality. Let's just take all of them out, keep them aside, and see what else do we have in the box. Holy moly, just look at the number of plugs in the box. You've got 3 power adapters for 3 routers. It's a 12 volt 1.5 amp power adapter. And you've got a variety of plug converters here, so you can use this adapter no matter which type of socket you have at your home. You also get a user manual and a warranty card. Make sure to read that for all the info on the product. And finally, you get an Ethernet cable in the box. So these were all the items you got in the package. Now let's have a closer look at the router and talk about the design. So this is how the Lyra Trio looks like. It's an AC1750 dual band router. It has a unique pyramid antenna design with 3x3 MIMO technology. This minimizes interference and transmits Wi-Fi signal vertically as well as horizontal for improved coverage and performance. I love the design of this router. At the back you have a LAN port, a LAN/WAN port, and a DC power in port to connect the power adapter. That's it, there are no other ports. And at the bottom you got a lot of vents to let the heat escape. You've got rubber foot pads on all the corners. And there's a button over here that says pair. I guess this is used to pair all the 3 nodes with each other. And beside that there's a reset button. On this side you got all the info regarding the router. That's it guys, there's nothing else on it. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality of Asus Lyra Trio. Now before I power it on and show you, let me tell you what a mesh Wi-Fi system is and how it's different from a regular router. Mesh Wi-Fi system is the next generation of home networks. It usually consists of 2 to 3 routers. You can even call them as nodes or hubs. These hubs communicate and work together to provide excellent coverage and speeds over a large area. Their main purpose is to eliminate dead spots and provide corner-to-corner Wi-Fi at your home. Now you might tell me to increase the range, you have something called as Wi-Fi extenders or repeaters, but let me tell you, even the Wi-Fi repeaters have their own set of problems. They do increase the range, but they limit the speed of your connection. Whereas in the case of mesh Wi-Fi systems, each of these hubs is a full AC1750 dual band router on its own, so that makes a huge difference. And setting them up is also super easy. It also doesn't require multiple network names like some extenders do. All these 3 hubs communicate with each other and forms a single large network that covers your entire home. So what this means is, no matter where you're present, you'll automatically get connected to the nearest hub and get the best performance and speed. The switching happens so smooth and seamlessly that you won't even notice it. So that's how a mesh Wi-Fi system works. I've set up the Lyra Trio. The setup process was very simple. It took only about 5 to 10 minutes with the help of its app. I've placed all the 3 routers at different places in my home, like this one is in my living room at the first floor, one is near the hallway, and the third one is on the ground floor. As you can see, the Lyra Trio has beautiful RGB lighting. It looks very decent and the color of the light changes based on different situations. Now let me show you the app that you need to use for setting it up and accessing its features. The name of the app is Asus Lyra. It's available on both Play Store and App Store. Let me open the app and show you. So this is how the home screen looks like. It shows you a network map of all the Lyras connected in the network and the different devices connected to each router. You can monitor the complete network map here. As you can see, it clearly shows you where the routers are placed in my home. Let's see what devices are connected to the Lyra in my living room. By clicking on it, you can get the complete details about the router. My phone is connected to the Lyra in the hallway. It even shows you the signal strength on the device. So that is how you can track everything. Going down the list, you have a lot of other features like AI protection. It protects your network from malicious attacks. There's also Wi-Fi sharing and real-time traffic updates at the end of the list. So that was about the home screen. Now let's check out the other features. By swiping to the right, you can access all the different features. You have Traffic Manager, which when enabled helps you control the upload and download bandwidth. And you also have more advanced features of quality of service, which you can access from the router's setup page. The Lyra Trio also supports guest networks, so it can also create a separate guest network alongside your local network. I don't use this feature, that's why it's turned off right now. There's also a special section called Family Members. Here you can add all your personal devices to monitor and fully control them. You can block these devices from accessing certain websites or even schedule a time when they can access the internet. You also have Smart Home, router operation modes, and these are the general settings where you can change the Wi-Fi network name, password, check for firmware updates, turn on or off the LED lights, and even reset the router. So these were all of its settings. Now this network is not just limited to 3 Lyras. You can add any number of these routers to expand your coverage as per your need. The setup process is very simple. Everything can be done from the app itself. Just follow the on-screen instructions and it will be ready to use in no time. And one more awesome thing is that you can also control Asus Lyra Trio with Amazon Alexa. If you have any device like Echo or an Echo Dot, you can just use your voice commands to fully control the router. I'll just give you a demo and show you how it works like. Alexa, ask Asus router.
Welcome to Asus router. I can help you to complete many settings with simple voice. You can turn on or turn off the guest network, turn on game mode or media mode, pause the internet, match a new device, reboot or upgrade the firmware. What would you like to do?
Nothing.
The skill, Asus router, is cancelled. Goodbye.
So these are all the different commands you can use with Alexa to fully control the router. Now let's talk about the range and the Wi-Fi speeds on this mesh Wi-Fi system. It's an AC1750 dual band router and offers a max speed of up to 1300 Mbps in the 5 GHz band. Right now I'm using Act Fibernet's 100 Mbps plan with this router. Let's do a quick speed test inside our home and see the results. So as you can see, I'm getting excellent speeds on this router. Now this is inside our home. Let's go to our garden which is far from the router and test the connection speed. First I'll show you the speeds on my gaming router which I was using previously. I'm right now connected to that network. Let's do a quick speed test and see the results. As you can see, there's almost 40 to 50% drop in the speeds. That's because we're quite far from the router. Now let's connect to the Lyra Trio and do the same speed test. Holy smokes, are you guys seeing the difference? We're getting the max speeds on this router. Now that is what I'm talking about. That's the benefit of using mesh Wi-Fi systems. No matter where you are, inside your home, outside near the garden, or even in tight spots, the Lyra Trio got you covered. It can easily cover a range of up to 5000 square feet. I'm quite impressed by this mesh Wi-Fi system. So that was my video on Asus Lyra Trio home mesh Wi-Fi system. The design, the build quality, its coverage and the connection speeds all are excellent. But there are a few things I'd like to say about this product. It costs around 22 to 23,000 rupees. That's quite expensive for a router. But again, not only this, you take any mesh Wi-Fi system, all are in the same price range. So I'd say this product is mostly useful for people who have big duplex homes and want their Wi-Fi signal to reach every corner of their home. For such type of applications, it's a good product. Also, since it's quite expensive, they should have provided some USB ports on it so we could connect any drives and share the data throughout the network. The Lyra Trio is still on pre-order. It'll be coming soon by the end of this month. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and also got to learn something new. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.